ódàbọ, goodbye or farewell. Ódàbọ is a way of saying goodbye in Yoruba. For example, maybe you are departing from someone or someone is departing from you. So you can tell the person ódàbọ, which means goodbye. The person can still also tell you ódàbọ, goodbye. Or maybe someone is embarking on a journey and you want to greet the person ódàbọ. Any situation by which you can say goodbye or farewell or bye-bye in English, you can say ódàbọ in Yoruba. So next time, when you want to bid someone farewell, or you want to say goodbye, or you want to say bye-bye, and you wish to say it in Yoruba, you will say ódàbọ. Ó tún dọ̀la o. Till tomorrow.